Ooh.
And here we go, coming out from our condo. That's about a foot of snow.
Yeah, I think a little bit over.
Oh, like, oh, there's so much snow, Ronan. Oh, I wish I was off to go play with you. But this is actually better to play in the road because it's quite high. Wow. Crazy.
Look at the car.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Look at the side jet.
Wow. Kind of hurts it. Yeah. Crazy. Look at those cars are full. But this reminds me of Montreal. Yeah, I feel like we're in Quebec. Ooh.
Yeah, it's over a foot of snow.
Right? How are you doing?
Very good.
Yeah? How are you doing, Ronan?
I'm doing great.
Can I see you? There you are. I'm just heading to work now. Yay. Wish I was out to play in the snow. Oh, look, there's some people are getting stuck. That's kind of funny. They have the wrong car. Well, they probably... It's like, don't drive.
Oh, look at the.
So I make a left here or go
No,
straight?
oh yeah, you can make a left Marshall, yeah. Yeah, make a left Marshall.
Right here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh. They didn't even clear the roads out yet. Well, they kind of did. And make a left here. Wow, that's nuts. I know. Oh, that car is so slow. Is he making a left? Yeah. My goodness. It took forever. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, she's waiting at the front. I believe so, yeah.
There's no outdoor.
No. Maybe the restaurant will be closed today. Nobody's gonna be out and about. I can't even get out. If this keeps up. Yeah, you just make it right over here. And here we are crossing our workplace at the hospital. And there's a car that's stuck over there.
There's a police car.
Oh, in the front. I don't want to go first because of this car.
Yes.
Oh my god, everybody's becoming late for work too. They're all trying to clear their driveway and oh gosh. Careful the sidewalk here, dear.
But man, the snow is falling hard. Like, and you guys are under the weather.
Yeah.
Woo!
Jeez, Richard.
Okay, he's just not.
That's he just kept going.
And we're supposed to have a stop sign.
Yes, you should.
But he
Oh, yeah.
didn't.
I don't think you could, Richard, because it's downhill, right? So it's a good
Good
thing.
thing I'm defensive.
Yes. Well, that's why I trust you driving.
Because we have the right of way. Hey,
Hey, go
see?
to the front,
Underground
yeah.
to underground.
So don't-
Yeah. Look. We're the first ones here. No one. They cleared some of the road already. I'm sure we got some. Whoa! So windy. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay, we're gonna make some donuts here. Huh? Yeah. Hmm?
Doesn't work.
No. Right? Yes. Oh, there you are. Oh, look at. Patch of jeeps. Hey, Ronan.
Hi.
That's pretty deep. Let's see how deep it is. Yeah. Oh. That's pretty deep. Hey, wait up. It's the bridge. Look. Here, I don't know, we should go down there. That's steep. Hey, someone's been here already. No, it says unsafe. Keep ice. See? The satisfying video.
I should do the other one, okay?
Here.
You want to see that again?
Mm-hmm. Oh, we're in the lake right now. Look. Yeah. Look, the lake is frozen. Yeah. Look at them. Look. Go on in.
Hi.
Hi.
As you can see,
Yeah.
it's very snowy
Yes.
outside. You can see how deep it is just by stepping into it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And it's even deeper if you go this way.
That's how we gotta drive into. Hmm? No, on your truck it is. Okay. Well, we're gonna walk around this whole middle lake. Okay. No. Yeah, climb it. Where's your gloves? I hope you have your gloves on. Hey, over there. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Okay. Into this whole area here.
It's hot.
Just follow my footprints.
What?
Just follow my footprints. It's pretty deep.
Hi. I want to hug.
Okay. Having fun?
Yes, I am.
Oh, look at here, the bench, the picnic benches. Right here.
Finally, somewhere where we can sit.
I don't know if you can sit there. It's beautiful though, eh? It's beautiful. We're like first footprints in here. This is Middle Lake in winter time. look. No footprints at all. Not this one. Uh-oh.
Hi.
Right.